Hey guys, and welcome back to Mesha's Corner. So today I'll be making some oodles and noodles. There's no trick to it. I'm literally using oodles and noodles. Not the packet mix in there though, but just the noodles. Yeah, so you know, if this is not what you want to see. No, I'm kidding, but yeah, let's get started. Alright, so I just dropped my noodles down in some boiling water. Do not break up your noodles, leave them whole. I have my chicken breast right here, washed, dried, clean. I have soy sauce, sesame oil, and garlic chili sauce. I have basil, scallions, peppers, and a spice mix right there. And that's all we'll be using. Just like that, my noodles are already done. I probably left it in the water for 45 seconds, just until they break down. You don't want to cook it to the directions on the packets. 45 seconds, rapid boiling water. To the chicken, I'm going to add the spice mix, and I'm going to sear it off on top of the stove. That's it. Alright, you guys, so my chicken is searing up nice and good right here in my little cast iron skillet. And over here, I have my peppers going. I'm going to cook them until they sort of break down, not much. Alright, you guys, so then you're going to take your chili garlic sauce, not much, a good tablespoon. You're also going to take your soy sauce. Alright, then you're going to drop your noodles. Okay, so now I'm going to add some sesame oil. Remember guys, the soy sauce has a lot of salt, so you want to watch your salt. I'm not adding any salt to mine because I'm using the soy sauce. And basically you just taste as you go. I'm going to let this sear for about 60 more seconds, and then I'm going to add the scallions and the sesame seeds. Alright you guys, so I turned the stove off. I added my basil, scallions, and my black and white sesame seeds. I'm just going to toss this. Actually better to toss with a fork. And I'm going to plate it up. This looks so good. And I'll let you guys see what it looks like. Guys, look how perfect my chicken breast is and juicy. Once I took it out the skillet, at 160. Then I put it on my cutting board and let it rest for 5 minutes. It wasn't long, and it's perfect and juicy. Alright you guys, I did record my cell phone, so I'll make sure I have close-up pictures with my actual camera. This is what it looks like right here. It looks so pretty. This whole meal was probably $1.50. This was $1.50, pretty much, or $1. But yep, I'm gonna show it closer. But I guess I could just try a little piece or a little bit of the noodles. Y'all know how noodles go. It's gonna take me a while to pick this up, so just be patient. This is what it looks like. This is so ghetto, but I don't care. I mean, listen, I don't care. What I love about this is that it's not over salted. I didn't use the packet that comes with the oodle noodles. I basically didn't use any salt in this dish. So if you like this recipe, let me know what you think. If you want more ratchet recipes like these that are cheap, that you can afford, affordable, dollar store, let me know. And I'll talk to you guys next time on my next video. Bye guys.